How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How about you, sir?
I'm great. And how have you been doing so far?
Yeah, I'm doing so far good.
Okay. So have you returned to your room?
Yeah, yeah. But I exchanged my room. You can say this is my new room.
Okay. New room. Great.
Yeah.
So, okay. So tell me, how's your practice going on?
Nowadays I'm not practicing because I have taken coaching, so there study almost 6 hours every day. So I don't get much time to do practice. But whenever I get free, then I practice.
Oh,
I do practice.
yeah, I am seeing that you are messaging on group rarely. Sometimes
Sometimes
you.
because whenever I get free, I have already told you whenever I get free, like breakfast time, lunch time, then I
Okay. So what is your coaching time basically?
9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Okay. So you don't get the break in between?
Almost no. I have I take a break like almost 1 p.m. and yeah 1 p.m. Lunchtime. You can say
Okay.
lunchtime.
Okay. So have you had your breakfast yet?
Yeah, I had
Okay. So are you observing fast today?
no.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay. So like uh, now it's your health is fine because when
Yeah,
I called you last time, then you were saying there is some issue in your health. So I
yeah.
I hope yeah it is fine.
You can see
So
now me. Yeah, I'm very healthy man.
right, and you should be. Just
Yeah.
take care of your health. So, how's your study going on?
Fine. Because nowadays I'm studying almost 8 hour and 10 hour every day.
Oh,
Apart from this language.
okay, great. Like it becomes very, tough to study that much after
It's
a
very,
certain point. Like
very
after you have crossed 10th or 12th, then it becomes very tough to carry on study, So,
yeah, everything. Because I'm alone here, so I do everything related to my rent room, like everything, so you can understand me. And apart from that, I'm learning this language, so it is not good for me, but I'm trying to learn this language.
yeah, like you have grown so much, you have improved a lot. Like when last time I called you, when we had a conversation, then you were not that much good. You were like a beginner. You were barely speaking any sentence, but right now you are speaking very well. You are able to express your thoughts. Then it is very good. So somewhere you didn't practice, so that can
Yeah.
affect you.
Nowadays,
Yeah.
almost
Just try.
1 week. 1 week,
Mhm.
because I'm searching like a rent room, so it is difficulty for me for search. But
Okay. So you might have shifted your luggage. Yeah. Did you face any difficulty in that?
I'm I was facing a lot of difficulty because I'm alone here, so my luggage is very heavy, so it is carry. So then I will like hire you can say rickshaw.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Then I
Great. So how much far this room is from that your old one?
3 kilometers.
3 kilometer. Yeah, then though it becomes very difficult to shift the luggage. I can understand.
Yeah. So
Mm.
how was your journey, learning journey, and how was your YouTube channel? Are you growing? Because nowadays I'm not running YouTube channel. I'm not watching more and more video related to conversation related to this language. But nowadays I'm studying like related to my syllabus, like judiciary, law. So I'm thinking that next week I will go in High Court and to practice. But let's see if I get a free time, then I will go.
Okay, great. So yeah, my journey is also going good, but yeah, from past 10 to 11 days, I was not consistent. But right now, I am trying to be consistent toward this language. I am doing so.
How is your journey, YouTube channel?
YouTube channel is going fantastic.
Oh my God, thank you.
Okay, so what did you have in your breakfast today?
Like, do you know gram and like banana?
Yeah, okay,
I
great.
have.
I also had banana.
Because I have already told you, you know everything about me, my due to my health. So doctor treat me and he said me you have to eat like bananas and like healthy food. So that's why I nowadays I'm
Yeah.
taking like
You should, yeah, you should have more and more healthy food, health like fruits and all juices on all that because it they are help in our health. They are good for our health. So right. So do you use social media like YouTube
sometimes.
or Instagram and Facebook?
No, no. I'm not using this type of app, but I'm using like really a Skype app and YouTube channel. But that's enough.
YouTube. Oh, great. Because in today's era most of the student uses Instagram, Facebook and Twitter and all those applications, but you are using only YouTube, so it's very good,
Yeah.
and
Because I don't have much time because nowadays thinking that I will go, but I go to coaching. I will go to get coaching. I go to coaching like in 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. there study, and after that I return my home. Then I cook food, then I eat food. So it is difficult for me.
so yeah, it difficult, I can understand. So apart from your coaching study, do you study yeah, like do you do self study?
Yeah, at night almost 8 and 10 o'clock.
8 to 10. I was asking what do you like to watch on YouTube? Like what kind of content do you like to watch? Like English conversation, movies, and any serials, shows, what?
No. Not related to English, but I watch like South movie in Hindi dubbed, not English, because I like more South movie. So that's why I watch. Yeah.
Great, great. So do you have any questions for me?
Yeah. Yeah, I have a lot of question, but the thing because whenever I talk to people like you can say sometimes I'm hesitation like and I'm not able to talk you. I think estimate, but you can say now I'm speaking, but I'm unable to express my thought. So how can I express? Can you tell me? Sometime.
Yeah, I can understand. I also feel the same sometimes, but for that you need practice. You should listen English content more and more. By which you can get a lot of ideas, lot of new words and sentence formation from there. So through help of like you through which you can express your thoughts. Like you would have a lot of new vocabularies, sentence formation would be in your mind. So it becomes very easy then to express your thoughts. That's what I would say. Like you should be more focused about your practice and like practice here. I mean in speaking and listening both.
So you do
Yeah.
this type of thing every day.
Yeah, I do. Like, of course, I do. Like, it helps, like if you are getting any new vocabulary, then it helps you basically to express your thoughts.
So how was your studying life so far?
It's going good. Parallelly, I do, but yeah, I don't do compromise from my study. I always do study, and whenever I get the time, I do English conversations.
So how many hours do you study at your room and apart from your coaching? So do you have taken coaching or not?
No, I don't need actually any coaching right now. But yeah, I sometimes it depends basically how much work I have. Right now, I'm not in that phase that I am working on my copy pencil and the copy pen. I'm not doing that because I'm in my fourth year of my graduation and I have computer science stream, so I need to work on my laptop. So there, I work. I work on the laptop. So it depends at how much work I have. So sometimes I study 3 hours, sometimes four, sometimes five, six. It depends basically. Yeah.
That's nice. You are doing great job.
Yeah, you are too doing great job. It becomes very difficult to stay alone because whenever you are staying alone, then lot of things go running in your head. So, and if you are interacting with someone, then it doesn't, but when you stay alone, then a lot of things goes here, and you become very frustrated. I know, like.
Yeah, sometimes I'm facing a lot things like this type of thing, but not every time because I study almost here whenever I get free time, so almost I study.
Right. You should keep yourself busy more and more. If you want
Yeah.
to prevent yourself from all these kind of things, then of course you should keep yourself busy.
Yes, sir. Let.
Okay. Okay, that's okay. So going to be your like routine today? How would it be?
Yeah, I will study whole day.
Oh, that's great. And you will have conversation too, huh?
Apart from that I having conversation maybe.
Oh, great. So, like now I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube channel. Okay, you can watch this video.
Okay, okay, brother.
Okay, and bye. Have a nice day.
Nice day.
Nice talking to you.